Hello everyone, welcome to Cucina channel. Today, we are at Grand Moon Palace, Cancun, one of the most luxurious, all-inclusive resorts in Mexico. There is one hidden gem that you might not expect to find in paradise. That is the bowling alley, also known as the Ninth Pen Bowling and Bar. Today, we are diving into why the bowling alley at Grand Moon Palace is the ultimate family-friendly activity and why it's especially great for kids. With its 6 beautifully designed lanes, where all lanes have electronic score keeping, this isn't your average bowling alley. Whether you are looking for a casual game or a more energetic competition, this place sets the perfect stage. The bowling alley is where guests can enjoy some finger foods and beverages while bowling a few frames. Bowling is fun, but it isn't free. Located on the ground floor of main building at the Grand Moon Palace, it's nice for a rainy day activity or just a family activity. You can use your resort credits to pay for it. We got 2 lanes and paid $16 and used 100 resort credits. The bowling alley has a cost of $50 per hour per lane, with maximum of 6 players per lane per hour. You are able to use resort credits towards the cost of bowling. 16% service fee applied. In my opinion, it is one of the best places to use those resort credits. The drinks and food were all a part of the all-inclusive resort, so you could get as much or little as you wanted. But what makes this alley truly special? It's the family-friendly atmosphere and the fact that it is the perfect sport for kids. Bowling is one of those rare activities that's fun for all ages. It doesn't matter if your child is 5 or 15. Everyone can enjoy it. And at the Grand Moon Palace, the bowling alley is designed with kids in mind. There is something magical about seeing your kids' faces light up when they knock down those pins. It's a moment of pure joy and excitement. The best part, the whole family can be part of the fun, cheering them on and celebrating each victory together. For the younger kids, there is even a ball ramp to help them roll the ball down the lane with ease. It's a great way to make sure they feel involved and successful.
Good job.
Bowling isn't just about knocking down pins, it's about creating memories. It's also a great bonding experience as your kids cheer each other on, help them pick up the ball, and high five after each round. You will find that bowling alley is more than just a place to play. It's a place to connect. For parents, it's a chance to engage with their kids in a fun, light-hearted way.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the best activities and destinations around the world. Greetings from Cozina.